The official turbaning of Chief Michael Agreement Sado was witnessed by large supporters who came to celebrate with him. The Okuokpellagbe of Okpella, His Royal Majesty Mike Sado, conferred the title Okhaleaga III on the village head of Ibiamune. The new village head of Ibiamune, Chief Michael Agreement Sado, and his people walked around some major roads in Okpella to the praise of his grandfather as they celebrate the restoration. At the former palace of his grandfather, some traditional rites were performed on Chief Michael Agreement Sado. At the reception, friends and family members, including the Okuokpellagbe of Okpella, His Royal Majesty Mike Sado, were on ground to felicitate with the new village head, just as guests were entertained by a live musical band. The celebrant Chief Michael Agreement Sado acknowledged pivotal roles of the village head and called for collaboration to succeed.
Belongs to God. These people belongs to God, and people that belongs to God will never lack. These people will be lifted from wherever level they are to a better level. Their voice will be heard. Their voice will not ever die again. Anywhere their voice will be heard, my people must be uplifted. They will be blessed. And what's more again, there is going to be fairness, equity in this throne.
Grateful to God. I'm very happy for the throne of greatness that the Lord has given to me and my husband. So I promise to serve my people in humility and humble. I'm very grateful, and I give all glory to my Maker, to the Almighty God.
Chief Michael Agreement Sado is a grandson of His Royal Highness Iko Sado of blessed memory, who was the first Okuokpellagbe of Okpella. In Okpella, Akim Itayohan, NTA News.